welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with Typhoon T4. If you haven't seen my other video, I unboxed Archer Hercules, and this Beyblade, this part is for defense slingshot. Let's get right into it. Yeah, just tear it apart. Woo! Guys, hit that subscribe button, like this video, make it your favorite, share it, and also comment below. Well, I'm getting all these parts out. Defense S. Oh, guys, the QR code. If you want to scan it, scan it. Do you guys have the code? Okay, then. Time we do some testings with Typhoon T4. Okay, dudes, let's see it in action. This is going to be one for the taking. Here we go, dudes. 3, 2. Oh, and the testing is Fafnir Polish Atomic. All right, dudes. This is going to be some awesome testings. It's in slingshot mode. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Who's stronger, guys? It seems like Typhoon is going to get the win here. Fafnir Polish Atomic gets the win. Alright, sorry guys, I don't know how to get it out of slingshot mode, but those attacks are pretty cool. You guys want to see another battle? Okay. Here is, we're going to do 2 more testings. The next Beyblade will be Blue Maximus Garuda. Let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Alright, dudes. Tell me what you give Typhoon in the comments below, what you rate this Beyblade. I'm going to rate it a 7 out of 10. Tell me your thoughts on it. The slingshot mode looks really good. It has some stamina in slingshot mode. Okay, so here we are. We're releasing the Blue Maximus Garuda. Here is the parts. This is the defense driver. And it also comes with 6, but I don't really know what the frame is called. Just keep commenting. I'll give you guys shout outs on my videos. Alright, dudes. This will be the last battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. The blue Garuda is more powerful than you think. On the next video, I'm going to do the blue Maximus Garuda versus the yellow Maximus Garuda. But I want you guys to keep commenting so you guys can get shout outs. And end the video.